Round number 1.
Iyona ndlela akhunjulwe ngayo uLasbon eholweni lakuGompo. Ngaphakathi bekwakhiwe iring enemfanekiso yakhe.
Thank you, masimkhwabeleni.
Utete wadutshulwa ngaphandle kwakubongo lesihlanu lwedlule, kanti owesifazane ona 27 owayenaye emotweni uyelashwa kulandela ukuthelwa amachaphazelo kulokhu kuhlasela. Ubeseneminyaka engu-38.
When I received the message, I took it straight to the minister immediately, and the entire mood changed on Friday. We were supposed to be happy, excited, and enjoy the awards, but everything changed on that evening of Saturday.
Abesilisa abane basenkantolo ngecala lokubulala uZolani Tete. Laba ngu-Uzuzole Goqwana ona 22, uSiphesihle Kolisi no-Athandwa Gangala abana 27, kanye noSimbonge Qhase ona 28. UGoqwana waboshwa esikhumulweni sezindiza iKing Phalo Airport osukwini nje emva kokubulawa kaTete, kwathi abanye abathathu baboshwa ngeSonto. Abasolwa ababili bayilaxazile ibheyili bazobuyela enkantolo mhla zingu-13 ku-Okthobha, kanti abanye ababili bazobuyela enkantolo mhla lulunye kwezokwethwasa.
Today is a celebration of the life of a man that won many belts here. DJ, play that song of Zolani. They must see we are happy. We must celebrate it. Let us stand up and we show them we are happy. This is a champion we are burying here today. They must see us.
Utete uzobekwa endlini yakhe yokugcina ngomgqibelo.